Yeah. I'm here today to talk about life. No, I was kidding. I'm here to talk about misdirection. Misdirection is, I have to make you to look away when I do things with my hands. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm not so good at English, but I'm trying. Okay? Let's say we use a few cards here. We can use tens. Is okay? We take here and here. How many can see this if I show? Can everybody see? 4 tens? Yeah. Great. The first one we have is a 10 of diamonds. Okay? The second one is a 10 of spades. The next one, the 10 of hearts. And the 10 of clubs. Okay? I'm going to put these here so you can see, right here. I'm going to use another few cards with big contrast. Let's say, not like 10, like 4, 5, 6, something like that. So I take 1, 6, 1, 5. We can take 1, 9. And we can take, let's say, a 2. 2 is perfect. So what we do here is we use these cards. Oh, I have one. I think I have one. Yeah, I have one more. Okay. Now I have 4, I think. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, what is misdirection? My idea here is to move these 10s from here to there. And I can do it in 2 ways. The first way I do it is I just take one, and I take one from here, easy, and I just move them. Right? That was misdirection, right? It's just moving things. I want to do this in misdirection. So this will look like this. I replace 10 here, and I use these cards. Here's misdirection. I don't have to touch them. Yeah, it's true. All I have to do is just take one, and I throw it. Yeah, it's true. Watch. It's the first 10. Number 1. Okay? We take number 2 here. Let's say we take the 6. 6. What I have to do here is I take 1 10 more and I place it here. And that's the next 10, you see? Number 2. And the 2 last, all I have to do here, just take these cards and I spin them. And when I do that, I change both of them. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But here's the secret. And this is misdirection. All I have to do here is I have to just place them right back. And when I give them a twist, just touch this one. You see they go back where they were before. Thank you very much. Thank you. So over here, it should be the 10s, right? Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 1, 10, 2, 3, and 4. But I told you about misdirection. And misdirection is that we didn't use 10s. And we didn't use the other cards. What we were using is aces, you see? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. And that's it. And that's misdirection. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. And now let me present to you Lennart Green.
Thank you. Yeah. My interest is misleading communication. How to lead, how to mislead. And I studied this in many levels, on many levels, and also with professional cheaters. And at that time, my girlfriend didn't like that. She said, listen, the thing you do is unnatural. Don't do that. So I started to study nature more and figure out that misdirection or misleading is the strongest thing in nature. I mean, if you look at the virus immediately, you see how the main purpose is to cross the barrier into the cell and change the machinery and have the cell to commit suicide and produce other virus, right? what incredible thing to mislead and to fool and cheat. And then all the levels of insects, even plants. I mean, a plant that can create a special odor to attract insects, and also can kill insects, and all these things, and the camouflage that exists in the all the animals and so on. So, and between people, the communication, misleading communication is one of the strongest. In war, in politics, business, in the world of business, in all fields you have this kind of misleading communication. And when I have a speech for school classes, I say, don't believe the thing you read in books. For example, listen, we are 50 people here. I have or have had a mother and a father. You have had a mother and father, and you have had a mother and father, and so on. So in the generation before us, it was 100 people that created us, correct? But my mother also had a mother and a father, and my father had a mother and a father. So in the next generation, it was 200 people, and 400. Every generation backwards, the population is doubled, right? And very soon we reach million, billion, trillion people. Very few generation, like the inventor of the chess game, you know. So it's very easy to prove that mankind couldn't start with two people, Adam and Eve. On the contrary, it started with a totally overcrowded world, and now we are fewer and fewer. And I also did some research on statistics about car accidents. More accidents happened in the speed around 100 kilometer compared to 200 kilometer per hour, of course. More accidents happen in normal, clear weather compared to heavy fog. And more accidents happen with normal, sober people compared to heavy drunk people. Consequently, if you will drive safe from A to B, drive in 200 kilometers per hour in heavy fog and be stone drunk. So you can see how you can twist the reality with words very easy. And this happened more sophisticated in the business world or in politics or everything. Then from the words I go to action, and I love the creativity talk. And I will do a little creativity experiment, hopefully. Can you, Bosse, yeah, hold this.
That was finished, but okay.
No, now you start again. Okay. So, and one more. Anyone? Yes. Good. Great. So if you stand over here, hold the rope here. Now, how many ways to pass this rope? You can jump over, correct? And you can go under it. Do we have other? So here is more dramatically. It's hurt. When it passed the kidneys. Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So, I should like to have a talk about creativity next time. I have a special training technique. Do I have some more time? 2. I'm not so elegant as Niklas. Can I have one assistant here? Bosse Larsson, yeah, again. A big hand. And a chair. I take that. I take a chair here. Can I have this? Good. So here for you. Please. Yeah. So here I have studied the connection between symbols and chaos. You know the new chaos theory? That is not... Oh, sorry. Can you see the pattern here? Right? No?
No.
Okay. We do a new effort. I love the Mandelbrot and the fractals. So here, for example, if I spread the cards, can you see some order here now? No? No, okay. I start with a symbol. Some of the old symbols has very strong connection with chaos and order. Yeah, I think I can do it. So actually I peek, I look at the cards too. So here we start a symbol here. Can you put your hand like this in a circle and put them on some cards? Yeah, good. Push them forward. And this too? 3, 2, okay. This is the sun. And the same here.
That side.
Yes, that way. Good, good. The moon.
Yeah.
You see that? Yeah, of course. Impressed? Not yet, okay. Now you see the symbol, right? Points to the top of the mountain here. Here they will separate 2 cards. And the bottom of the... Good. I don't know if this works. We will see. Okay. Always a little. Then we create chaos. Agree? Chaos? Yes.
Yeah.
Good, good, good.
Talking to me. Okay.
Yeah, to especially you.
Yeah.
I doesn't speak very many, but I do the best what I are.
Yeah.
I like that phrase. So, and here. Now you agree that this is
A mess.
a mess, more or less chaos. Right? Correct?
Yeah.
Oh, good, good. Any question? No? Okay. So here, actually last night I wrote something in trance, more or less. I like different states of mind. This is an insurance if something goes wrong. "23 cards are face down." I'm not sure. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yeah. Wow. So these cards are face down. And, oh, sorry, 24. Sorry, 24. "13 red cards. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good, 13. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, to king in red. So 1, you see 1? Yeah, 1, ace. You see it, right? Maybe for the camera. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, yeah, 8. Good. 8, 9, 10. Jack. Queen, king. Good. And then, for the gamblers, royal flush in heart means hearts, ace, king, queen, jack, 10. So we have 10, jack in hearts, queen, king, and ace. Thank you. And all blacks are number cards. Number. No picture card, right?
No.
Yes. Okay, number cards. And all blacks are even. 2, 6, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 4, 10, 7. Yeah, it takes a while before, but I had an insurance if something was wrong. Except 7 of clubs, right? So this was just an example of the connection between chaos and an old symbol and total organization, a randomized permutation of independent coincidence in a deck of cards, and a free will, right? More or less, yes. Yeah, I like this, yes? I can continue more, but I think we have to... The last one, right? Okay. Will you shuffle? We do it this way, okay. You see the technique? Yeah? Perfect. 4 heaps. Start with the bigger and totally 4 heaps. 1.
From the left?
Yes, no, continue. Yeah. Here is estimation. Yes, I think I have.
Good.
Perfect. Excellent.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ace, right? Oh, sorry, I have an extra ace. So I think, and the last, here also another way of estimation. I put the cards at different place, but I memorize, of course. Yeah, I have a special memory technique, so I know exactly where I put them. Clubs, diamonds, spades, heart. So, thank you. Maybe you think this is a gift. If you find something marked or give me a call.
Put it on the website.
Yes, and the box. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.